Plaid Patrol. We need your help. We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude,
integrity,
determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
What's the problem, friend?
this student stuck their test to the wall with gum.
Disgusting. You did this?
Yeah, why? I see kids do it all the time.
We got ourselves a follower.
So you think it's okay then?
I don't know. Who are you guys anyway?
We are the Plaid Patrol, a set of individuals with the sole purpose of maintaining plaid on our campus.
She is specifically tasked with maintaining the P in Plaid. Pride.
What's this paper got anything to do with pride?
Well, you see, throwing away trash and having a clean campus shows that you have pride. But when you litter or vandalize your campus, you not only do not have pride, but it also makes our campus look like trash.
Additionally, it is completely disrespectful to all the custodians that work tirelessly to clean up everybody's messes.
Oh,
Having a clean campus also looks good for when visitors come, like other principals from schools or any guests.
well, what about all the other kids who just at lunch leave their trash on the floor?
They too lack pride for their campus.
And they might also need a little small reminder to pick up after themselves. And if they don't listen, don't just leave it there. Take some time to pick it up.
Yeah, but don't worry. We'll deal with the kids who don't listen.
Wow, I didn't realize I was causing such a problem here on campus.
Just remember to pick up your trash and be mindful of your campus. That shows you have pride and helps keep your campus clean. Take care of it.
Thanks, Plaid Patrol.